Hi, Scott Dillon at MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to do a quick walkthrough here of the all-new Harris 230 Sunliner that was ordered with the new Halo bimini top. So I love the new Halo. It's a powered bimini top that's made to look like a functioning tow arch. The advantage is you get all the looks of the tower without all of the cost of the tower. And most of our customers are really not using their tower to pull tubes and skis anyway. They're still using the big ski tow bar. So all the looks, little lower price point, makes it a really, really nice boat for us. So wraparound seating up front, JL audio, subwoofer, amplifier, JL speakers throughout with an amp. Flip-flop backrest. This is ordered with the SL floor plan. This boat is available also with a second captain seat here, so they just remove this piece, second captain seat goes here. I have a bunch of those in stock also if that's something that you would like more. Flip-flop backrest, and back here on the business end, 225 horsepower V6 Mercury. That is power assisted hydraulic steering and also a digital throttle. So a lot of the 200s and 225s you see out there from some of the competitors, in order to get the cost down, they're just not putting the digital throttle, which is a really, really nice thing to have. Also, submersible swim seat, one of the favorite options that we put on all of our pontoon boats. If you ask anybody that owns one of ours, flips down over underneath the surface of the water. If you boat with dogs or pets, easiest way to get dogs and pets up out of the water, or if you're beached at the sandbar, just a great place to sit. Also, all new lily pad ladder. Rungs on that ladder are about 3 times as wide as your standard pontoon boat ladder. Super easy to get in and out. Also, stern safety fencing back here allows you to sit back here on the back while the boat's underway, while you're pulling the kids on the tubes and skis. Probably the most comfortable seat in the house is this seat right here with the backrest flip. So if you have any questions about this or any of the others, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about them.